For suspension on this truck, we went ahead and did the Icon Stage 1 kit, which has got 2.5 coilovers up front and the 2.5 rear shocks in the back. There's no crazy external reservoirs or anything on these, but they are slightly adjustable in the front, so you can determine where you want the ride height to be. We have it set at around 2 inches to get it kind of leveled out, nice even stance. There's nothing too wild in the way that this truck sits. The setup works great. It's really a comfortable on-road ride. It'll be a little bit stiffer than what you're used to with factory, but it's not going to feel the same way as lifting a truck with like a 6-inch system. And then the way it performs off-road is excellent. This is the ideal kit if you're somebody who's just running logging roads or running forest roads, going camping, you want to take a back way to get to your favorite lake. This suspension will get you there, no problem.